Hello everyone, welcome to Jojo Braga Studio, and this is Grand Assembly 2026 of Demon Stylist Philippines, King and Queens. My name is DJ Alvin from Euro TV Philippines Entertainment. Live na live din na papunood every Wednesday po yan, 2:30 until 4 p.m. sa Euro TV Philippines Entertainment on their Facebook page, TikTok, and YouTube channel. Also, Pinoy Extreme Channel Signal 106, Sky Cable 217. At this point, kasama natin isa sa mga king ng Demon Stylist Philippines and also the brand ambassador and the Junior Glam Universe 2024. Kamusta ka naman?
Good po. How about you po?
I'm okay also. Please kindly introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Keita Sean Inigo G. Cruz. I am 9 years old and your Junior Glam Universe.
Yes. How do I call you po? Kitaro or Kate?
Keitaro po.
Keitaro. So,
Or Keitaro po.
where belong that name?
It's like for Japanese.
Japanese. So, are you a Japanese? You're Filipino? Your mom is a Filipino or what?
Filipino lang po.
Your dad? Filipino or Japanese?
Filipino po, pero galing po sa martial arts.
So, doon ka pinanganak sa Japan or what?
Hindi po Philippines.
Sa Pilipinas. Alright. Mr. Kitaro, before we start our conversation, do you have somebody to greet or do you have somebody to shout out?
I want to thank God for guiding me through every step of my way, my family for giving me the unwavering support, to my coaches who guided me, to my supporters who cheered me on. Thank you for believing in me. To you po, Sir DJ,
Yes.
for interviewing me.
Thank you so much,
And
Kitaro.
last but not the least, Demon Stylist Philippines, especially our CEO, Ma'am Annabel Balala. Thank you for this amazing opportunity.
Thank you so much, Kitaro. Last time nakasama kita sa program ko, Afternoon Drive, right? So, kailan ka kaya babalik doon, Mr. Kitaro? May plan ka ba bumalik sa show ko? Wow, so you may be asked Ma'am Annabel Balala kung kailan ka gustong mag-guest sa akin.
Okay.
So, are you ready for that Q&A, Mr. Kitaro?
Apo.
If I don't mind, how old are you once again?
9. I'm gonna be 10 this year.
So, what is your birthday?
March 11, 2006.
March 11. Oh, malapit na. Saan tayo sa birthday mo? Baka pwede kami pumunta doon, makikain. So, you are 9 years old and turning 10 years old. Anong grade ka na, Kitaro?
4.
4, grade 4. Baka gusto mong i-shoutout yung teacher mo and classmates.
Hindi po okay na po ako.
Yeah, your classmates and your teachers, they have...
Hindi po okay lang po ako.
Ay, okay lang. Okay. Anyway, Mr. Kitaro, are you ready for the Q&A?
Apo.
I think aware ka naman sa mga global issue or government issue dito sa Pilipinas. So, I have a questions for you. First question, what do you think is the biggest problem facing young people today?
Ano po?
What do you think is the biggest problem facing young people today? Sa tingin mo, ano yung pinakamalaking problema na ikinaharap ng mga kabataan ngayong
Mga
taon?
bata po.
Yeah, like for example, it's a global issues, corruptions. Are you aware that? Or like bullying, ganyan. Ikaw ba ay na-try ng mabully, Kitaro?
Hindi po.
Hindi pa. So wala pa siyang experience. Kaya anyway, don't mind it. So, Kitaro, bilang isang junior Glam Universe 2024, what is your message sa mga batang katulad mo na maging isang ganito na Junior Glam Universe 2024? Anong mensahe mo sa kanila?
That they should always study, be good, believe in yourself, dream big, work hard, and always be good, kind, no matter what.
Yes. And of course, Mr. Kitaro, how's your feeling or how is your experience during that pageant for anong evento is a little and teen glam pageant? How is your experience?
I felt good because I got to represent my country, which I had never experienced before, but at this young age, I am very happy to represent my country. And it's my pride being a Filipino.
Wow. And congratulations, Mr. Kitaro. And being ambassador of Demon Stylist Philippines, what is your message katulad mo na bata ngayon na isa ka sa mga ambassador din ng Dimala Stylist Philippines. Anong message mo naman sa kanila? Or how to be you po? Like that.
When you fall down, never ever give up. Stand up, run faster, and always, and never stop, always, and never give up, and follow your dreams.
Siyempre, never give up and follow your dreams kasi pag nag-give up ka, wala na yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, di ba?
Apa.
Ikaw, Kitaro, what is your ambition?
Ano po yung ulit yung ambition?
Like, for example, ano yung dream mo paglaki mo? And bakit? What is your dream when you grow up?
I want to be a famous person that will inspire others
Mm-hmm.
to help people around the world, to inspire more people and people who's gonna be in the future. And also, I want to have a company so I can raise
CEO, like that.
Apa.
Wow.
So I can get a lot of money and then help the children in need.
Ang taas ng pangarap niya, ha? Maging isang famous and of course, maging isang CEO ng isang kampanya. So, would you like to become a president soon of the Philippines?
Hindi
May
po.
plan ka ba na magtakbo ng pagkapangulong ngayong 2028, Kitaro?
Hindi po sila.
Anyway, kung papalarin ka, kung sakasakali lang, pag lumaki ka na, as a young age, syempre, maging older ka na, may plano ka bang tumakbo ng presidente ng Pilipinas?
Hindi po.
Hindi, diba? Okay. Anyway, malay natin, someday, ikaw ang magiging president ng Pilipinas soon, paglaki mo at nasa tamang edad ka na. Okay, Kitaro, may mga gusto ka bang pasalamatan ngayong araw?
I want to thank my parents, God, my supporters, my coaches, my classmates, my teachers, and many more for cheering me on.
Mr. Kitaro, do you have any social media accounts to promote?
On Facebook, my account is Kitaro Cruz and my TikTok is Whimsical Don Quixote. Well, if you don't like my post, you can just follow. It will be very helpful and I'll be very happy.
At this moment, what is your message to your mom right now?
I'm very happy that since I was a baby, she always took care of me, always bought medicine, she sacrificed some stuff, she made me grow up in a happy life, and many more.
Yes. Mr. Kitaro, from Dimala Stylist Philippines, Miss Annabel Balala, what is your message for her?
I want to thank her because she gave me a lot of opportunities to be famous like where I am right now. I'm gonna be on social media just
Yeah.
because of her and you.
Wow. And congratulations for that, Kitaro. And thank you so much for this opportunity na makasama ka ulit or makasama kita ulit ngayong araw na ito. And good luck to your next journey. And congratulations in advance. Have a nice day, Kitaro. Thank you so much.